What's up everyone? I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. In today's video, I want to discuss with you how to make $1 million in 3 steps fast. So I'm on the screen as this is not a topic that I take lightly. If you want to make your $1 million fast, listen to me and follow my steps and you will see what I mean. Looking through my YouTube channel and social media groups, and the questions I get is, what is the fastest way to make $1 million with no money, starting from zero? The answers I see the so-called online gurus give sound so great. And of course, their promised way is the only way to become rich and wealthy in an instant, overnight, within a couple of days. I fell for this. Thinking back to when I started the journey, I fell for some of these promises myself. Looked at those people, they make it, so can I, particularly if I use their methodology to become rich fast. Today, after more than 5 years of experience in the online business, I can tell you my story and my view on what it means become rich fast. I have learned fast has a different meaning for each and every one of us. Just remember, this is not a press button or make $1 million immediately. There is no get rich quick path. I cannot even guarantee that you will make your $1 million after watching this video. It's all about your work ethic, your dedication, and the strategy that you are following. If I tell you you can make $1 million in 2 years, will this feel fast for you? Maybe for a lot of people it will feel fast. I can even change this to say you will make your $1 million in 5 years. Will this feel fast? This might still feel fast to some people. I see myself moving into the 2 to 5 year plan, building a sustainable business that is legit and will bring in my million eventually. If I say you can make $1 million in 5 days, that might feel fast. But let's get realistic. This can never happen. Even if you're one of the powerful influencers with lots of traffic and everything is in place, it will still take time before your next million is coming up. It's about the strategy and the plan you follow. Lastly, your commitment and outlook on what you want to achieve. Let's look at my 3-step plan. Step 1. Choose who do you want to sell to. Make sure you see, I did not say choose your product. No, who do you want to sell to? Your audience. Most marketers miss this part. Who do you want to sell to? Before you can choose your product, you need to know who before you choose the product. If you do not know your audience and who they are and what they want, you're going to have a product that nobody will want and nobody will buy. So, who are your ideal customer? Are they busy moms who want to work from home like me? Or are they entrepreneurs who need business training and funnel building courses? If you in the dating niche, who do you have? Single ladies who needs dating information? If you find your ideal customer, you will find people who would you be passionate to serve. When you know who you want to sell to, you will be willing to do anything for them. That is going to be the key for selling the amount of products you want to sell, getting to your $1 million. Do not take this step lightly. This is the most important step of making your $1 million online. Step 2. Find out what your audience need. Listen to the customers and sell to them what they need. Once you know your customer, you can find them on Facebook forums, on other platforms. You can see what they ask, what questions, and what are their needs. What they're asking, information about this can guide you to which product would be suitable to sell to them. You might find the product they need is already out there. You do not need to create it. You can become an affiliate for that product and sell someone else's product. Becoming an affiliate is one of the smartest ways to make your $1 million. And if speed is your goal, then not developing a product, getting customer support, shooting videos, making material will speed things up, right? Most beginners choose a product they think they would like to sell, and this is not going to work if you're planning on making your $1 million fast. Lastly, step 3. Create a high-ticket solution. Once you have the who and the what, you need to work on selling a higher ticket program or service or product, as you want to get to your $1 million fast. If you sell a low-cost product, you need to sell a massive amount of products before you will get to your $1 million mark. The same amount of energy is going into selling a higher ticket for anything from $300 to $900. If you do this, a much smaller group of people are needed to create your results faster. The key here is to find a product or consulting service you can charge a higher price for, or find one that you can sell as an affiliate. I know, as a beginner you might think this is crazy and you don't know how to sell high tickets. The secret I found out is to sell high tickets or this type of service or product through webinars. It's much easier to have a webinar at the end. You will sell your product. The other part is, if you're selling someone else's product, you do not need to be on the webinar as they did all the hard work already. As an affiliate, you can use their content to promote their product. This is my 3-step plan I would suggest you use to make your $1 million faster than most people will take. If you take these steps seriously, I promise you, you will be ahead of the game. You will stand out from everyone else. If you use this approach, you will not be promoting links to people who does not want to buy your product. You will actually give your audience what they need and what they're searching for. I've learned on my journey, every time I see the word fast, I stop to think, is speed really so important? What is my goal? I need to build a sustainable business and giving my audience value and what they need. The quality of service I provide to my audience will be much greater if I make my $1 million over a longer period of time. For me, fast doesn't mean minutes, weeks, days or months. Sometimes fast might mean a year, 2, even 5 years from now. That will still be an amazing achievement. My advice to you, if you want to make a lot of money online, follow these steps. See if this is a good path for you. Once you decided, go on a pace that allows you to grow. Make sure you're not compromising the quality of service that you provide to the people that are buying from you, because that is the most important part to gain trust and reliability, and you will grow your online business. This is it in a nutshell. It sounds easy, but I can promise you from my experience, falling into the flashy, shiny objects, listening to gurus promising me money overnight, I didn't make it. But now I'm on the right path, I have the right steps, the right mentor, and I'm promoting high-ticket products. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and press the notification bell, because each week I'm putting out more of these training videos and I want to make sure you don't miss them. Feel free to share this video with any of your friends who might also need your support. We're all losing money, first by doing the wrong things. So save them their time that they get to their $1 million faster. If you have questions or comment, leave them below in the comment box and let me know what do you think about these 3 steps or using webinars to sell your products. Thank you for watching. See you next week on the other side of the screen.